A spinning button toy is an old-fashioned toy that has delighted kids for generations. This fun, easy-to-make craft can be made in just minutes with common household items. This video will show how to make the button spinner and how to make it spin and buzz. The supplies needed are string, a button, and a scissor. Cut the string to 36 inches long. Then thread the string through the button holes. Now if it has 4 holes, you're going to want it to be on an angle. Tie a knot in the end. Then tie another knot, about 1.5 inches away to make a loop. Hold the string and then tie a knot so that you can make a loop on the other end. These will be finger loops. And your spinning button toy is complete. Now it's time to play with it. This is what you do. You place the button in the middle, and then you place your fingers in the loops, spin the button around in a circle to twist the string. After it's twisted, then pull it. And it's sometimes, I don't know if you can hear it, but it does make a buzzing noise. And if you keep pulling back and forth, it winds back on itself and spins. Continue this in and out motion that I am doing with the string to make your spinning button toy. Did you like this video? Please like and share and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, visit our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Our website, needlepointers.com, is a great resource for craft activities and projects for kids.